For the record, I told myself I wasn't going to drink before I went so I didn't look homeless. But then it was National Margarita Day, so it just happened. So don't drink before you go and get it done, It's probably a good idea. I think we're just going around the parking lot. I love you. I'm about to go to the med spa and I'm gonna do a Hydrafacial. I've never done it before, so I'm really excited. But right now I have these Skin Iceland gel patches on my face right now because I'm on a diet and I fell asleep with my contacts in. So definitely don't recommend doing that, but these feel really good because my face, like right in the eye area, felt so crazy dry. So I'm excited. I'm gonna take you guys with me and vlog it all. I've actually never been to this place before, so I'm super excited. So after removing the makeup from your face, the first step is to remove dead skin cells in order to help reveal healthy ones. The esthetician will sweep away remnants of makeup and dead skin cells. It feels like kind of like a spinning toothbrush. It feels a little bit like a massage as well. It's really comforting and relaxing. Next step is the glycol serum, which will be applied to your face, which is a mixture of glycolic and salicylic acid to deliver the benefits of a typical peel without the post-peel scaling. Some peels create a stinging sensation for a few minutes until they're washed off, but the Hydrafacial is very gentle and only leaves a very faint tingle. The peel hydrates the skin by using a nutrient-rich solution that deeply penetrates the pores of the skin to gently remove impurities while also softening the skin. That will lead into the next step, which is the vortex extraction. The nozzle rapidly circulates liquid that, when applied to the skin, acts as a vacuum to eliminate blemishes like blackheads, whiteheads, and clogged pores for a completely painless extraction. Next up, my esthetician used a fusion tool which infuses a special hydrating serum. She chose the vitamin C because I want to diminish hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, fine lines, uneven skin tone, sun damage, and oiliness. Then at the end, we topped it off with a little red light therapy. I do this every night. I definitely recommend doing it. It is non-invasive. It doesn't hurt. It's 100% natural. It will help get rid of wrinkles, acne scarring, regular scarring, sun damage, freckles, basically everything. It's just good for your whole life. It will change your life, I'm telling you. I've had 3 C-sections in the same exact spot. Since I've been doing red light therapy for about 2 months, I have seen that scar go down dramatically. So definitely invest in a good one, and it's just really calming and soothing, and they say that it also helps you fall asleep easier if you have trouble sleeping. So definitely recommend it.
It's gay and gorgeous.
That is incredible. I love
it. Scrunch like you're angry, good, just like that.
Oh, I thought you were doing it right now.
No, it's making my marks.
I was like holding my breath.
Alright, raise your brows real high, as high as you can.
Is this going to take off my eyebrows?
No.
Okay, good.
No, I did that once when I first started. I'll never do it again. A couple little pinches. Pinch.
I feel like I can't even feel it.
Not that good.
Was that my brow?
No, believe me. I stayed away from brow territory. I was very tempted to mess with it right there. Like, oh my god, your left brow's gone.
My friends do that. They're always like, talk Shenange, I'll wipe one off.
I'm not allowed to, I'm not supposed to make such immature jokes. Doing okay?
You're fine. I'm telling you, it's like, I really can't feel much.
Good. So no exercising today, no yoga, no getting a massage. Take it easy the rest of today.
Okay.
And tomorrow you can get back to whatever you want.
Awesome.
And I would say, what I like doing when I do my own Botox is taking a picture, making these faces today, and then take the same picture in a week and you'll see what you get. So I just got my first Hydrafacial, and I feel like my skin looks so new and refreshed, and it feels like baby skin. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Literally, I feel like I don't ever want to wear makeup again just because the natural glow is so much better than like the fake. If you are in the Philadelphia area, I swear to God, you need to check them out because you won't be disappointed.
were they super accommodating and kind. They made you feel so comfortable and like you knew them forever, which I feel like is super important. I hate going places where they're like fancy and rude and stuck up. Literally so kind. They take their time with you. They explain things. They're just like very patient. They don't make you feel stupid and just like overwhelm you with all these crazy medical terms where like, what are you even talking about? I don't even know. So I love them, and I feel like you guys should check them out. My skin has never felt better. And honestly, you know that skincare is super important to me, because no matter how much makeup you wear, it will never look good if you do not take care of your skin, people. I cannot stress that enough to you, I promise you. But yeah, so it was my first Hydrafacial. I feel like I popped my cherry, like I was a virgin, and they broke me in, and I feel like I'm never gonna not get it now because it was life-changing. And I know sometimes like things can be expensive, but honestly, being a mom, it's always good to take care of yourself, even if you save up for just something to treat yourself. I feel like it's really important because a lot of moms forget about themselves. And not to mention, being a mom, you're just constantly taking care of other people that you forget about yourself. So if there's one thing that you can do for yourself every month, I feel like you need to. It's not being selfish at all. It definitely just, you know, it brings you back to earth. Like, it makes you remember, I'm not just a mom, I'm a person. So I think you guys should check them out. I have to tell you guys too though, when I was getting this facial done, I was ready to fall asleep. Like, they were talking to me and I felt like a crackhead, like I couldn't get my words together because I just was like, I'm so relaxed. It was really good.